with the skin. This is something called foundation, but it's a stick figure so that it will be easier. Yeah, hopefully it fits. Yeah.
Yeah, we have the same skin tone.
Do this, shoulder, belly, back, legs. Done. We're done. We're good to go.
Okay.
I got it. Yay! Aww.
Where is...
So nice to see you.
Hey, show her your paints. Hey, Jay, give me your swap vest.
Okay, so if you sit on the toilet, it's like right next to you, and all looking down on me. And then there are babies too. And here, and here. It's like right here. Scary. Are you done?
She's getting ready.
Oh, okay. Can I have a sneak peek?
You can come in, yeah.
Is she done?
Yeah. No, she's like got the dress on. Yeah, she's just getting her hair a little touched up.
Oh, look at you.
Okay, ma'am.
I can barely see.
I gotta pick up my dress again. What do I do?
And there are sandwiches. No, I can't see. You have to hold it way high. There!
Thank you.
Woohoo!
Not just combinations, permutations too. You gotta do everybody in every order.
Do you want that cake really bad? Like how much?
You gotta go get mommy.
Like 25.
Like 25? That's a lot!
Come here, Jay.
He's like wanting it so bad. 25. Can you sing the Hakuna Matata song, please?
Trying to figure out how it starts.
Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. I'm gonna sing it. Yeah.
Did you get to work out? What did you do while mommy was working out?
I was playing Mario Odyssey.
Jaden, you are not.
Bye. Bye. Be careful.
I'm in the middle. This is fun.
You're in the middle and this is fun?
Not when my legs hurt. Look at my little holder.
That's cute. That's handy. Or are you gonna introduce me?
So you can get me.
Oh, I get to feed?
Yeah.
He smells funny. Hello.
He likes you.
I don't think so. Too ticklish. Oh, his face is so cute. Is that your Christmas present, Jay? Santa had a perfect taste. What? That's weird. Let's go in.
You see if he'll go in?
Oh.
Your arms might be too tiny.
Oh,
He's
your
not
feet
scared of
tickle.
you.
He's trying to give you kisses. I really said that though. 2 years ago we went to IHOP. No, it was 9 years ago, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I'm like, we were at the IHOP and I tried to order crepes and I'm like, can I have crepes?
I mean, that is because it's a French word.
Yeah, it is. So in Korea we just call it crepe. Yeah. Oh, it looks nice.
Well, I mean, like, the federal government, it's illegal. But because there's the federal government and the state government. So, like, the United States as a whole, it's illegal. But the state, but nobody's, it's the state, the police are per state.
Yeah.
So the police are only going to follow.
I'm from Kingwood.
You're from Kingwood.
Ooh, fancy.
Fancy, fancy.
The mozzarella looks really good.
It does. You want a bite?
Okay.
You sure? Jay, do you want to have a bite? Really looks good.
Mine looks better.
Yeah, it does look better. And Susu. What's my real name? Do you know?
It's
Sue.
Sue George.
Her number is 1324.
Sujin.
How come are you so smart? Where am I from? Do you know that?
Korea.
Oh wow. Do you know where we're
That lady was
going?
being dumb.
We're gonna pick up Mom's cake.
Is this one? Is it at the clubhouse?
Guess so.
Look what I can do.
What can you do?
Huh.
Oh, you took his neck out.
Because it's a
1324, right?
secret. Don't tell Grammy this. Don't tell Grammy this.
Okay, I won't.
Do you want to park here?
You want to make one circle and see if it's right on the other side?
Yes.
I think that just.
No. Yay.
What are you doing?
I get to put it in my sock pocket.
Sock pocket.
Yeah, this is my sock pocket.
Okay.
Time out.
You did it now, kid.
That's not quite right. Oh, what did you do?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
A, B, C, D,
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P, Q, R, S, T, T-U-V W-X-Y-and-Z. Y-and-Z.
Sorry. Y-and-Z.
It said Z.
V.
Baby, we
It said
can keep
Z.
all these sandwiches.
Let's play it on the carpet.
Huh? You want to play on the carpet?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Oh no. So this car is awful. Everything is broken on it.
Okay, but I like the color
It's dirty.
and the fact that it's cheap.
Let's see if it starts.
And I just want to see you drive. It's weird.
It turned on.
I'll be alive, right?
Maybe.
But what did you mean by it broke down?
It starts shaking and then it stops driving. So we'll see. Sometimes it works.
Wow, she's driving. It's weird. She used to be baby. She used to be baby, and now she's driving and has a kid and get married. It's so weird. Oh, it's shaking. Is it gonna stop? Is it gonna stop?
No, it starts shaking bad.
Will it make it to mom's?
I hope so.
Callie's pooping.
He's up there. Show him, dude.
Where? I don't see it. Up where? Oh, I see it. I see it.
Damn, he's looking right
Wow.
He's looking
That's what he does in the morning.
No. Yeah. Chewies!
Chewy.
I came all the way to see you only.
I don't know what that is.
We are now at where? Baby's house? No, we're now at where? Where are we?
Chewy.
Chewy's. Whose favorite restaurant is this? Mine? And Susu's. Right, Alyssa? Is that your baby? What's the baby's name?
Yeah.
And Susu. Yeah, you're in. Stop it. Way down.
All right, these are shorter cigars.
Perfect looking. Yo. Okay, that's enough, I think. Thank you. Wow.